हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू ज्ञान गंगा क्लासेस। और आज हम लेकर के आए हैं आपके लिए क्लास 6 सोशल साइंस ज्योग्राफी का चैप्टर नंबर 6 मेजर लैंडफॉर्म्स ऑन द अर्थ। अभी तक हमने बाकी में अर्थ के बारे में, मैप्स के बारे में, अर्थ की डिफरेंट डोमेन्स के बारे में पढ़ा। आज हम बात करेंगे लैंडफॉर्म्स की। व्हाट वी विल कवर इज द अर्थ सर्फेस, ऑल अबाउट द अर्थ सर्फेस। आखिरकार अर्थ सर्फेस कैसा होता है, इरोजन एंड डिपोजिशन के बारे में जानेंगे, माउंटेन्स, प्लेट्यू, प्लेन्स के बारे में भी जानेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। और हमारे चैनल को लाइक करके, हमारी इस वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए अगर अभी तक हमारे फैमिली से नहीं जुड़े हैं तो। चलिए, व्हाट इज द अर्थ सर्फेस। तो अर्थ पे आप देखते हो, आपने वाटर बॉडीज देखी, और क्या है, लैंड है। तो वाटर बॉडीज हर जगह इवन होती है, ये हमने भी पढ़ा था पिछले लेसन में। अगर वो वीडियो मिस कर गए तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में आप जाके देख सकते हो। तो अर्थ इज इवन, अनइवन, हाई और लो। अर्थ यानी लैंड, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द लैंड स्पेसिफिकली। लैंड क्या है, कहीं हाई है, कहीं लो है, अनइवन है। क्या है वो, अनइवन है। ओके, सो दीज टोपोग्राफिकल डिफरेंसेस आर कॉल्ड लैंडफॉर्म्स। मतलब द लैंड सर्फेसेस हैविंग द टोपोग्राफिकल डिफरेंसेस। टोपोग्राफिकल मतलब द ज्योग्राफिकल डिफरेंसेस आर कॉल्ड लैंडफॉर्म्स. So landforms are of basically three types: mountains, plateaus and plain. These three are the major landforms. So here see, we have mountains, plains, plateau, and the waterfall is the water body का एक example. Okay, so landforms क्या है, में plain, mountain और plateau जाने थे. So the landforms are formed due to different natural forces. अलग अलग natural forces की वजह से they form. Why they forms in such way? कुछ ऊपर, कुछ नीचे, कुछ plain. तो why? Because of the different natural surfaces. The compression on earth land plates, like क्या है एक, the compression of earth plates. When two earth plates move towards each other, as a result of the compression, the rocks or the soil of the two surface gets folded and form the fold mountains. क्या होता है उससे हमें एक फोल्ड माउंटेन हमारा बनता है। कैसे? When the two plates of the earth goes towards each other like this, they just folded up, the rock and soil over there also gets folded up, and what we get as a result is the folded mountain. Next is the erosion. Erosion से create होते हैं कैसे? When the upper layer of earth is eroded by natural forces. See, suppose this gets eroded by the natural force like air or water, then this it is said कि यहाँ erosion हो गया. Okay, it gets eroded. The process of removing some air, some layer of dirt or soil from a place by the natural forces like air and water is the erosion. अब बात करते हैं depositions. So then the eroded material are deposited elsewhere. They form a landform and that is called deposition. ये किससे हुआ? ये deposition से form हुआ. This process of depositing the eroded material elsewhere and forming a landform is the deposition. Clear? Deposition और तीन factors से बना erosion, deposition और collision. ये तीन फैक्टर्स, तीन वजह से हमारे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लैंडफॉर्म्स क्रिएट होते हैं। अब बात करते हैं माउंटेन्स के बारे में। द नेचुरली एलिवेटेड कोन शेप ऑफ लैंड विद कोनिकल पीक एट टॉप एंड ब्रॉड बेस आर कॉल्ड माउंटेन। क्या है? इसी को इन्हें माउंटेन कहते हैं। इट हैज कोनिकल पीक ऑन टॉप, दिस इज द पीक, एंड द ब्रॉड बेस. सो द नेचुरली एलिवेटेड कोन शेप ऑफ लैंड with conical peak at top and broad base is called mountain. समझ आया? They are generally 1000 or above the sea level. 1000 meter or more above the sea level. ऐसे होते हैं mountains. So because of high altitudes, mountain have a very low temperature. Because of so much height, they have mostly the low temperatures. अब बात करते हैं हमारे different types of mountain. Fold mountain, block mountain and volcanic mountain. Fold mountains, the mountains formed by folding of rock plates. अभी हम बात किए थे collision. Mountain formed as the result of collision and folding of the rock plates are the compression are the folding mountains. Okay, fold mountains. Example, Aravalli Range in India. Block mountains. When the rock plates are broken, it causes the formation of fault like this. This is the plate of earth. When it gets broken, like one thing got down, this plate got down, and the rest other things are high up. So what's happened? When the rock plates are broken, it causes the formation of, this is the fault. The mass of land now rises in between the two parallel faults. So these are the two parallel faults. It also happened here. This mass just increased in height. This became the mountain, the block mountain. Clear? Volcanic mountains. Example क्या है block mountain का? Black Forest और Vosges in Rhineland. They are the block mountains. Then the volcanic mountains formed due to repeated accumulation of volcanic materials. यहाँ से volcanic materials होने के बाद they just, due to that now it's just silent. So that is the volcanic mountains. The mountains formed due to the repeated accumulation. क्या हुआ ये यहाँ से किसका accumulation of volcanic materials like lava, magma, ash. It just blasted from here, the volcano, lava, magma and ash, and it just deposited over here. It's a result of deposition. Clear? It is a result of again the plates, the compression, the depression. Then this is the result of deposition and it was the result of compression. Clear? किस तीन types से fold mountains are made due to compression, block mountains are made due to depression, and volcanic mountains are made due to deposition. Clear है तीनों चीजें? Volcanic mountain का example Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa. Now something more about the mountains. The rivers originate from mountains. इनका importance है. Rivers जो है mountains से originate होती है. Some mountains are also covered with a thick layer of ice and form glaciers on top of them. Mountains have thick layer of ice on its top, some mountains, and that ice is known as glaciers, the thick layers of ice. और उससे ही कई बार हमें rivers मिलती हैं. Okay, the mountains present in the form of a group or a line is called ranges. एक साथ जितने mountains अगर present होते हैं, then it is called ranges. Now the importance of mountains. Glaciers in mountain is where the river originates. यही बताया था. अच्छा, we have गंगा river. उनका origination point क्या है? अगर आपको पता है तो कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए. They have the perennial flow. Perennial means continuous. The river's water can be used in cultivating crops, generating electricity and so much more. So it is due to mountains. Dense forests are present around some mountains that are rich source of wood, medicinal herb and provide shelter to animals and birds. So this is how the mountain is also necessary for us. Now let us talk about the plateau. The flat table-like land. Here see in the image, this is the plateau. What it is? It is a flat table-like high land standing above the surrounding. उससे अलग इससे बड़ा. So these are the plateau. These are the flat table-like land standing above the surrounding at a height, also known as tablelands or plateau. They have steep sides. They live about 300 meters high. They lie about 300 meters. मतलब आपके mountains कितने थे? 1000 plus, 1000 meters plus थे. तो plateau क्या है? Plateau are in general 300 or say 500 meter high. ये आपके वैसे होते हैं plateaus. Example, Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. Deccan Plateau, our Indian plateau is known as Deccan Plateau. Chota Nagpur. They all are a good example of the plateaus. इसका importance क्या है? They have abundant mineral sources and mines. Chota Nagpur has the mines for iron, coal, etc. in India. So they are the abundant mineral sources and they have mines in it. As rivers coming from the great heights fall here, forms a scenic beauty called waterfall. On plateaus only, because एक great height से वो आ रहे हैं, fall करते हैं, तो we have waterfalls. Plateau formed by deposition of lava are rich in black soil. और ऐसे plateaus जो कि volcanic eruption यानी लावा के deposition से बने होते हैं, they have the black soil that is rich for cultivation of cotton. So they have so many richness in them. Okay, now it have plains, the regions of lowland areas of about 200 meter above sea level. कैसी areas जो कि सिर्फ 200 meters above है sea level के या उसके थोड़ा आसपास, then that is plains. They are formed by deposition again. They are also formed by deposition of by rivers and winds. Rivers or winds mountain से आए, they just took some soil with them, their flow, and then just deposited it some place. So that plain, that thing that made that landform is called plains. We have great plains in Ganga, of Ganga in the sense Brahmaputra, and India has northern plains. Clear है? अब इसका importance क्या है? Plains are suitable for human settlement. ये human settlement के लिए बहुत ही suitable है, because they are plain. They are having so many scope for the settlement. The river flow down from the mountains, thus they carry the eroded materials and deposit on the plains. This makes the soil more fertile on the plains. Okay, due to this, plains are suitable for agriculture. So appropriate of construction, appropriate, they are also appropriate because they are flat surface, so they are appropriate for construction of roads, railways, buildings, etc. So major type of settlement is done in the northern plains. So with this we end our topic, we end our chapter here. It is completed over here. I hope you got enjoyed, you got to learn something new, and your concepts also got cleared. If it is so, make sure आप हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं, और अगर पसंद आए तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक, हमारे वीडियो को लाइक और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. थैंक यू.